Hi guys, just want to remind you of the Let's Talk Shop with Russ show tonight. On tonight's show, we're going to do project pictures. So that means send your project pictures in to contest at simplywoodencreations.com. And don't worry, if you don't get them sent until the show starts, we'll still be accepting and I'll be checking my email for project pics. So send your project pictures in to contest at simplywoodencreations.com and we'll show them off tonight, and make sure you're in the chat so you can tell us how you made it and what it's made of and all the important information that we need to know. So don't forget 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on my channel, Simply Wooden Creations on YouTube. Let's Talk Shop with Russ at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So hope to see you out in the chat and see a lot of great projects. Thanks. God bless.